Welcome to our video. In this video, we will discuss how to clean and store gardening tools. You might be surprised to learn that cleaning and storing your tools properly can help them last longer and perform better. In this video, we'll show you the best practices for keeping your gardening tools clean and organized. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's talk about why it's important to keep your gardening tools clean and organized. First, cleaning and storing your tools properly can help prevent the spread of disease in your garden. Second, it can help prevent rust and other damage to your tools, which can lead to costly replacements. Finally, it just makes your life easier when you have a clean and organized set of tools to work with. Now, let's move on to the cleaning process. You can use a wire brush or a cloth to wipe them down. Next, you'll want to sanitize your tools to prevent the spread of disease. You can do this by mixing 2 cups of chlorine bleach with 1 gallon of water in a bucket and soaking your tools for 10 minutes. After that, rinse your tools thoroughly and let them dry completely. Once your tools are clean and dry, it's time to store them properly. One of the best ways to store gardening tools is by hanging them on a pegboard. You can also store them in a tool shed or garage, but make sure they're not exposed to moisture or extreme temperatures. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your gardening tools clean and organized, and ensure they last for years to come. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!